Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel and welcome back to the second video. Now, I decided to do this second video about how to promote local businesses and make money with them because I kind of had some inspiration of how you can take this business to the next level, literally, yeah. And I'm going to share it with you in this video, okay? So if you haven't watched the first video, go back and watch the first video because in that video, I basically share with you how you can use a powerful video marketing tool and basically to use that tool to promote local businesses. So what happens is ultimately what you're doing is you're ranking on the first page of Google or YouTube for a specific keyword related to the local business that you are promoting, and you are then getting more exposure to that business for that business. So you're getting more exposure. If they're obviously ranking on Google, more people are going to search them, and more people are going to want to know more about them. Okay, and like in my first video, I said how you can make like $300 a week or something like that. But actually, that's very part time. That is very, very part time. Like you could probably make that in a day, to be honest, if depending on how many clients you have, obviously. But SEO is not cheap. Try to ask for how much people are charging for SEO services just to rank your website or your video on the first page, and then you'll understand how expensive this service really is. So because you've got an advantage and you know how to do it, and obviously you're not going to tell them how you're doing it, that's something that you learn and you know how to do. That's your skills that you've acquired using software, and you're literally using those skills to help other businesses. They don't need to know how you do it. At the end of the day, they see value in your service and they're going to pay you for doing that. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So in this second video, I'm going to teach you how you can take this business to the next level. Okay, and what I'm going to be talking about in this video is outsourcing. Okay, so the first thing is outsourcing. Then the second thing is to use specific keywords like okay, let me give you an example. So in the previous example, I spoke about restaurants. Spoke about Japanese restaurants and Indian restaurant. Sorry, not Indian, Italian restaurants. Yeah. But let's say now, yeah, you've got a keyword: best Italian restaurants in London. Boom. Do you know how powerful that is? Best Italian restaurant in London. Like, if people are searching for best Italian restaurant in London and we rank for that video, oh my God, do you know like that? I mean, if people are actually searching for that, like we can easily rank for that on the first page of Google. They're going to go straight to that video. They're going to see that restaurant, whatever restaurant we're promoting, and they're going to be happy with this service. It's freaking amazing. Like if you can rank for best chiropractor in London or best chiropractor in Manchester, and your video is up on the first page of Google, you don't think that's a really powerful service? Of course it is, because they're going to drive traffic. I mean, it's not just, we're not just using random keywords like, Japanese restaurant in London. No, we want to go for like best sushi in London, best Japanese food in London, recommended Japanese food in London, like, best ratings and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So you can really like look for get creative with what keywords people are searching for. But not just that, you can really get behind your the person that's searching's mindset. Okay, the person that's searching for the keyword, you can get behind their mindset and understand what they're looking for. If someone is looking for best best Japanese restaurant in London, could be different types of kind of people that are searching for that. They could be tourists coming over to London to looking for the best places to eat. Maybe they're Japanese people and they want to eat Japanese food, and they maybe they stick to their culture and they like Japanese food, but they want to know the best places to go for Japanese food when they come here. It can even be like, let's say there's certain people that only eat halal food, right? So halal food is very general. They can be Indian halal food, they can be African halal food, they can be Chinese halal food. So that can be a very specific niche on its own. A lot of Muslims are looking for halal food because that's the only thing that they eat. So, we can easily rank for a keyword like halal, best Indian halal food, or best African halal food, or whatever. And when we're in front of that keyword best, like best halal food, like, come on, man, that just speaks volumes. Like, people are going to see that, they're going to see the video, and they're going to think, oh, this must be a really good restaurant because it's ranking as the best. Do you see what I mean? So that is a very powerful strategy. Like, like, obviously I never really mentioned that in the first video, but this is really powerful information, guys. You could literally make a killing with this method alone. Like, the other thing that I wanted to mention that I never mentioned in the first video was that you could even tell restaurants or tell any of these businesses, whatever business that you can even do it with gyms, you can do it with leisure centers, you can do it with like I said, massage therapists, chiropractors, yeah. But what you could actually tell them is you could give them a sample. Okay, you can say, look, I can give you a sample of a few of my videos, and you can check my videos and you can see how my videos are ranking on Google and YouTube. And if they, like, for example, if they don't trust you, you can say, it's fine, you don't have to trust me, I can give you a sample of my work. Okay, once you give them a sample of your work, I mean, you don't have to permanently keep it up there, you can temporarily put it up there. And when they're ready to use your service, like, you can put it up there for like 2 weeks, and then if they're still ready to use if they're ready to use your service, then you can go full on and pump out content for them, because they're now your client, obviously, and then they can pay for your service, and then you'll obviously be ranking more videos for them. But literally, you can give them a sample of your work to show them that this is the proof that I can actually do this work for you. Okay, so, and that can be in your, like, you can carry a portfolio YouTube account that has all your portfolio work in there, and to show proof that you're actually doing your work, and this is the results of your work. Okay, now the other thing that I wanted to also mention, which, like, this is like this method on steroids. Okay, what you can actually do is you can get a sales rep, okay, someone to work for you, yeah, pay them commission based, or you can pay them like weekly or whatever. But I don't know, that's probably going to cost a lot of money, and I don't think it's a good idea to do that. If you've got a lot of money to spend, then obviously that's not going to be a problem for you. But if you want to keep it to a minimum, you pay them commissions. And some people don't mind working in sales for commission based. You can offer them like a, I don't know, like a 20% commission on each client that you get, and that way you've got your own assistant. Now, how powerful is that? Like, just imagine someone, if you don't like to do cold calling and to call people up, call businesses up, you can actually outsource that. You can get someone to do the calls for you, close the sales for you, and even promote your portfolio. Like, tell them, you want to promote your portfolio and give it to the clients, so that basically you're just building your leads, your business leads, yeah, on autopilot. Just someone is doing the work for you, so they're basically doing all of the calls and all of the sales while you're just chilling. And when someone becomes a client, then you're paying them like a 20% commission on that client. And the 20% is not a it's not a low crappy commission, it's a good commission, because you're going to be getting like a good amount of money doing that kind of work. Like I said, SEO is not cheap. Go and research it. You will find that SEO is a very expensive service that people are willing to pay money for, especially if it's gonna get them more clients, more customers. Do you know what I mean? So this is so powerful, guys. And you can easily use this to take this business to the next. Like, you can, what I mean is, you can easily use this video marketing software. Even the basic version you could practically do this with. Okay, the basic version, I mean, the pro offers so much more, but even with the basic version, you can go very far with the basic version. I have the basic version, and I tell you, it's amazing. And it's a $47 only one time payment. It's just a one time payment of $47. Okay, so anyway, I hope you've got some valuable content from this video. And yeah, I just find this method so amazing. Like, you can literally, like, that's literally how to take this business to the next level. Just outsource, build your portfolio. And chances of a business saying no to like a sample is just like slim. Okay, which idiot, I'm sorry to say, I mean, there might be some people, but if I was offering you a free service sample to show you how I can rank on the first page with a video that's going to promote your business, like, you would be crazy to say no. Okay, like, it's a sample. You're not paying anything. I'm showing you exactly how I do it, and how I'm showing you how I'm going to rank you and everything. And you're not going to take that opportunity. So I think that by showing them the portfolio and showing them a sample, it will actually increase um the chances of them becoming a client. Okay, because they're not spending anything. You're the one that is actually giving them value without even spending anything and spending any money up front. So now they've got the proof, and you like, they haven't lost anything, basically. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if you're ready to take this to the next level, if you're ready to get started with this this very powerful business model, or a way to make money with local businesses, then you just click the link below this video. Get the bloody software. It's only $47, a one-time payment. It's not gonna break your put a hole in your bank. It's a very small investment fee of $47, and I wouldn't be promoting it if it's crap. Okay, I do not promote shit products, period. Like, I will not do that. I know for a fact that this is an amazing product because I'm using it myself, and I use it practically every day. From, like, since buying it, I have been using it practically every day, and I am going to go to the pro version because I think it's amazing. I love this software so much. And yeah, that's why I promote it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. Give it a like if you found it valuable, and I'll see you guys in more videos. Take care for now.